Video today, I will be doing my unboxing video of the things that I have bought from Taobao during the November 11/11 sale. And I'm really very excited to share with you what I have bought. I have bought some swim gear for my husband, many toys for my son and his friends, and some photography supplies that this is my first time buying photography supply, so I'm actually also personally very excited to share, to look at the quality and to share with you guys like just the review of these items. However, for this video is purely on unboxing, and any detailed video on reviews of the individual items, do look out for it on my channel, or you can look out for it on my Instagram page, where I really do a detailed items by item review and to tell you whether it's a buy or no buy. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this time I ordered like really a lot of things for my son and also for his friends, and also some items for my husband. As you all know, Christmas is coming and I need to start preparing for gifts for my son and his friends, and also for our friends' children. So like if for the same thing that I get in Singapore, why not I get on Taobao? Because seriously, after shopping on Taobao for so many years, I really don't think that the quality is in any way compromised, because it is made in China. And for me, I really read the reviews and I really see and scrutinize to down to how many people actually bought this item before I really cut it out. So usually me shopping on Taobao will take a couple of days, and then my husband will be the final person that checks through my shopping cart to make sure that the items that we buy are really what we need, because our family also believe in the lifestyle of minimalist. So the items that you see, right, are really like things that we find will be very useful for the kids, useful for the family, and useful for the household. So no junk, no clutter, because we are totally not into this kind of mess. Okay, so let's go and open the parcel. Okay, so I've got my pen knife and my scissors ready, and I always trust in these two items while doing my unboxing. And this time around is my first time really filming it while I do unboxing, so I'm really nervous as well, and I hope I know what to describe to you. So as mentioned, so my son got a present during his first birthday party that is like a B-Duck guitar, and that it was really one of his favorite toys. And unfortunately, my husband accidentally stepped on it and broke it into two, and my son was really disappointed and really sad. So we decided to overcompensate him and like buy him a new set of this musical instrument. Wow! Look. So let's see what's inside. So how I will do this video is that I will just take out the item, show you them in actual packaging, without doing an in-depth review of the items, because in-depth review I will need some time to really use and test the item before I can tell you whether it is a good or no good. But I will just share with you my first thought of it, based on the feel and the material and whatnot. So okay, I think this is the guitar that we initially intend to buy for him. Wow, okay, so this is really nicely packed. I would just expect it to have this in the box, but actually they even packed it in a box to make sure that that it is not bent. Okay, so this is the guitar, the mini guitar that we got for our son. He really liked it, and I think he'll be so happy to see this when he wake up from his nap later. So we got a bundle of musical instruments for him. Initially, we just wanted to replace the guitar, but we decided that it's a good deal to just get all. Why not, right? Oh, we also got him a xylophone. This is really cute, and oh, for you to take a look at the product itself. Ooh, I love the colors. Oh, and they have a musical notes here for us to, teach him how to play the music. So cute. Oh, and this is the drums that we got from him for him as well. It's really cute. And by buying the bundle, they actually gave us like a ruler as a free gift. Not sure how useful it will be, but okay, we will find out next time. Okay, so let's start from this item. Oh, so this is the wooden train that I got for my son, or maybe I will give it to one of his friends. I'm not sure yet because like he has so many toys, to be honest, and like this time that I'm buying this, right, was really to see like is there any presents that I can buy for his friends for Christmas, for birthday, because like we are just all at the life stage where we are just topping children, and every other month there will be a birthday party, there will be someone's birthday, someone's baby being born. Okay, I must say the packaging is really good, and they bubble wrap it to make sure that there's no dent to the box, so that it will still be in pristine condition when I gift to somebody. And I will do an in-depth review on this dessert tray. It's actually a Japanese brand, so I'm really very excited to see how it will be. Okay, moving on, next item. Oh, no, it's not toy. Okay, so previous 10/10 sale, my husband actually bought a swimming trunk, but it was a size too huge. So for that, right, the sizing online wasn't very accurate, but we managed to bless it to my father-in-law because he is a size bigger than my husband. And my father-in-law said that the swimming trunk was really good, so it gives my husband faith, right, to buy again at a size smaller. And later I asked him to try, and we'll do a review on it later. And also during 10/10, my husband got a pair of goggles also from this shop, 361 degree, and that it fog up easily. So we are trying to see whether by buying this anti-fog spray it will help to reduce the fogging when he swims. So yeah, do look out for the review. And wow, what is this? This is like a really thin leaf. Oh, this is I think the wooden spoon that I've gotten. So as mentioned, right, this time around I bought some photography gears that I'm planning to use it to take some food photos. So let's see. Oh, so cute. So I got like a wooden spoon and wooden fork that look very Instagram worthy, and that it might look very photogenic in photos. We always check through to make sure I'm nothing. What is this? Oh, the official receipt, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, it's a drawstring bag. So as part of the gifting process, right, I also think of how I want to repackage presents so that we can reduce the use of plastic. But how ironic, right? Like they use plastic to wrap something that's supposed to be eco-friendly. So I've gotten this drawstring linen bag that I might use for re-gifting presents for my friends and like for my son's friends. Looks not bad, but seems a bit too big, bigger than my expectations. So next up, oh, pair of denim shorts. I don't even remember I ordered this. Okay, I will try and see whether it really look really nice like on photos. Oh wow, they give me a free notebook, and some like by leaving a good review for them, usually right they will give you like $2 extra or $2 angbao on Alipay, but I rarely use it though, like because by the time the item reach me, I'm already past the time frame to do like a product review, so I normally don't get to enjoy this benefit. But if you're ordering from Taobao or you opt for air shipping, right, I'm sure that you might make it for the time frame to leave a review and get $2 renminbi as a bonus.